Hi, in this video we will be talking about thriving on a tight budget. Watch this video to the end to learn strategies for enjoying life to the fullest. Welcome back to the International CEO. Living on a tight budget can feel like a daunting challenge, but it doesn't mean sacrificing all enjoyment in life. With careful planning, creativity, and a positive mindset, it's entirely possible to thrive within financial constraints while still finding joy and fulfillment in everyday experiences. In this guide, we'll explore practical strategies and mindset shifts to help you make the most of your resources and enjoy life to the fullest, regardless of your financial situation. Embracing a positive mindset. Gratitude attitude. Cultivate gratitude for what you have rather than focusing on what you lack. Recognize the abundance in your life, whether it's the love of family and friends, good health, or the simple pleasures of everyday living. Mindful spending. Shift your perspective on spending by considering each purchase thoughtfully. Ask yourself if the item or experience aligns with your values and brings genuine joy, or if it's just a fleeting impulse. Focus on possibilities, not limitations. Instead of dwelling on what you can't afford, focus on what you can do with the resources you have. Adopt a solution-oriented mindset to find creative ways to meet your needs and desires within your budget. Budgeting basics. Track your expenses. Start by tracking your spending for a month to identify where your money is going. Use apps or spreadsheets to categorize expenses and gain insights into your spending habits. Create a realistic budget. Based on your expenses and income, establish a budget that allocates funds for essentials such as housing, food, utilities, transportation, and debt repayment, while also setting aside money for savings and discretionary spending. Cut unnecessary costs. Identify areas where you can reduce expenses without sacrificing essential needs. This might include canceling subscriptions you don't use, shopping for groceries strategically, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month to ensure you're consistently building your financial cushion, even if it's a small amount. Smart shopping strategies. Buy secondhand. Explore thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces for gently used items such as clothing, furniture, and electronics. You'll often find quality goods at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Compare prices and look for deals. Before making a purchase, research prices online and in-store to find the best deal. Take advantage of coupons, discounts, and sales to save money on everything from groceries to entertainment. Plan meals and shop wisely. Create a weekly meal plan based on budget-friendly recipes and make a shopping list to avoid impulse buys at the grocery store. Consider buying in bulk for items you use frequently to save on cost per unit. Limit eating out. Dining out can quickly drain your budget, so reserve eating out for special occasions and focus on preparing meals at home. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with new recipes to make cooking enjoyable and cost-effective. Maximizing entertainment and leisure. Explore free activities. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, such as hiking trails, local parks, museums with free admission days, or community events and festivals. Utilize library resources. Take advantage of your local library for free access to books, movies, music, and even online courses. Libraries often host community events and workshops, providing opportunities for learning and socializing. Embrace nature. Spend time outdoors to unwind and enjoy nature's beauty without spending a dime. Whether it's a picnic in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply watching the sunset, nature offers endless opportunities for free entertainment. Host potluck gatherings. Instead of dining out with friends, organize potluck dinners where everyone brings a dish to share. Not only does this reduce the financial burden, but it also fosters a sense of community and connection. Investing in personal growth. Learn new skills. Take advantage of free or low-cost resources online to learn new skills or pursue hobbies that interest you. Whether it's cooking, gardening, painting, or learning a new language, personal growth doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care activities that promote well-being and relaxation, such as meditation, yoga, or DIY spa treatments at home. Investing in your physical and mental health is essential for long-term happiness and fulfillment. Volunteer and give back. Get involved in volunteer opportunities within your community to make a positive impact and connect with others who share your values. Giving back doesn't require financial resources and can be incredibly rewarding. Building and maintaining relationships. Focus on quality time. Strengthen your relationships by prioritizing quality time over expensive outings or gifts. Plan meaningful activities such as game nights, movie marathons, or outdoor adventures that foster connection and create lasting memories. Communicate openly about finances. Be transparent with friends and family about your financial situation and set realistic expectations for socializing and gift giving. True friends will understand and support your efforts to live within your means. Seek out free or low-cost social opportunities. Look for community events, workshops, or gatherings that offer opportunities for socializing without breaking the bank. Building a supportive network of friends and acquaintances can enrich your life in countless ways. Living on a tight budget doesn't have to mean deprivation or constant financial stress. By adopting a positive mindset, practicing smart budgeting strategies, and finding joy in simple pleasures, you can not only survive but thrive within your financial means. Remember that true happiness and fulfillment come from within and are not dependent on material possessions or extravagant experiences. By prioritizing what truly matters and making the most of what you have, you can live a rich and fulfilling life on any budget. Nurturing a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize health and wellness. While it may seem counterintuitive, investing in your health can actually save you money in the long run. Exercise on a budget. You don't need an expensive gym membership to stay active. Explore free or low-cost exercise options such as jogging in the park, following workout videos online, or joining community sports leagues. Meal planning and healthy eating. Plan your meals around affordable, nutrient-rich ingredients such as beans, lentils, vegetables, and whole grains. Cooking at home not only saves money but also allows you to control the quality and nutritional content of your food. Practice preventative care. Take advantage of free or low-cost preventative healthcare services such as vaccinations, screenings, and annual checkups. Catching health issues early can prevent them from becoming more serious and costly to treat. Managing debt and building savings. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating debts or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates and reduce monthly payments. Emergency fund. Aim to build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Start small by setting aside a portion of your income each month until you have saved enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Explore debt relief options. If you're struggling to keep up with debt payments, research debt relief options such as debt consolidation, debt settlement, or credit counseling. These programs can help you renegotiate terms with creditors and develop a manageable repayment plan. Automate savings and debt payments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and automatic payments for debt to ensure you're consistently making progress toward your financial goals. Maximizing income potential. Explore additional income streams. Look for ways to supplement your primary income with side gigs or freelance work. This could include freelance writing, tutoring, pet sitting, or driving for ride-sharing services. Invest in skills development. Invest in your education and skills development to increase your earning potential over time. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications in your field to expand your job opportunities and command higher salaries. Negotiate salary and benefits. When applying for a job or negotiating a raise, don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and negotiate salary and benefits. Research industry standards and come prepared with evidence of your skills and accomplishments to support your case. Monetize hobbies and talents. If you have a talent or hobby that could potentially generate income, explore ways to monetize it. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, offering music lessons, or starting a blog, turning your passion into a source of income can be both financially rewarding and personally fulfilling. Cultivating a fulfilling social life. Focus on meaningful connections. Surround yourself with friends and loved ones who support and uplift you, regardless of their financial status. Focus on building meaningful connections based on shared interests, values, and experiences rather than superficial displays of wealth. Host affordable gatherings. Instead of going out to expensive restaurants or bars, consider hosting gatherings at home where you can share meals, play games, or watch movies together. Potluck dinners, movie nights, and game tournaments can be just as enjoyable, if not more so, as expensive outings. Explore free or low-cost activities. Get creative when planning social activities by exploring free or low-cost options in your community. This could include hiking, picnicking in the park, attending community events or workshops, or hosting a DIY craft night. Communicate openly about finances. Be honest and open with your friends and loved ones about your financial situation. Let them know that while you may be on a tight budget, you still value their friendship and enjoy spending time together. True friends will understand and support your efforts to live within your means. Finding joy in the everyday. Practice mindfulness and gratitude. Cultivate a sense of mindfulness and gratitude in your daily life by pausing to appreciate the simple pleasures and blessings around you. Whether it's a beautiful sunset, a warm cup of tea, or a heartfelt conversation with a friend, finding joy in the present moment can enrich your life immeasurably. Celebrate milestones and achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small, to boost your confidence and motivation. Whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or mastering a new skill, take pride in your achievements and use them as fuel to propel you forward on your financial journey. Invest your time and energy in activities and pursuits that bring you fulfillment and align with your values and passions. Stay flexible and adapt. Finally, remember that life is unpredictable, and financial circumstances may change over time. Stay flexible and adaptable in your approach to budgeting and enjoying life, and be willing to adjust your plans and priorities as needed. By staying resilient and resourceful, you can continue to find joy and fulfillment no matter what challenges come your way. Living on a tight budget presents its challenges, but with the right mindset and strategies, it's entirely possible to enjoy life to the fullest without breaking the bank. By prioritizing what truly matters, practicing smart budgeting and spending habits, and nurturing meaningful connections and experiences, you can create a rich and fulfilling life regardless of your financial circumstances. Remember that true happiness and fulfillment come from within and are not dependent on external wealth or possessions. By embracing simplicity, gratitude, and a positive outlook, you can find joy and contentment in the everyday moments and live a life that is abundant in all the ways that truly matter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content. The International CEO. See you next time.